DNN has a built-in scheduler that allows you to schedule various tasks to occur on your website over time. Both DNN itself and extension vendors use the scheduler, and you can use it as well. First, you'll need to install a library, or a library that already exists needs to expose itself to the scheduler. In order to create your scheduled job, go to the Settings menu and go to Scheduler. Here you'll see the scheduled jobs that are running over time and their status. If you click on the Scheduler tab, you'll see the scheduled jobs that currently exist. We're going to add our own. Click Add Task. At this point, you'll need to know what to call the full class name in assembly. This is something that you'll need to get from the extension vendor or from the developer that created the scheduled job for you. Next, you can choose how long to retain the schedule history. Usually 10 is a good number. Next, let's tell it how frequently to run. You can have it run as frequently as you like depending on what the job is. Every website will be different. In this case, I'm going to change this to 1 day. So I want this job to run every day. If the job happens to fail for some reason, we can tell it when to retry itself. I'm going to tell it to try again in 6 hours. There are other more advanced settings that we can use here, but at this point I'm going to enable it and save it. The scheduled job has been saved, and now we can use it. I can see my scheduled job at the bottom, and I can choose to edit it. I can see if it's enabled. I can see the next time it'll start. And I can look at the task history for this particular job. So I just created it, and the description has been put in, and it also shows me how long it took and whether or not it succeeded. Since I chose to save 10 items for the task history, I'll only see 10 here at any given time, or up to 10. That's how easy it is to use the scheduler.